Have you ever pondered if life holds more beneath its surface? Are you intrigued by unlocking your latent capabilities? Welcome to a realm where curiosity meets appreciation, where we uncover the enigmas within and interpret the universe's messages. Come along on an expedition of self-exploration and illumination, navigating through the territories of inner aspirations, continual growth, and the pursuit of excellence. This space isn't just about information. It's a universal conversation urging you to delve into your essence while expressing gratitude for every stride along this transformative journey. Get ready as we set off on a quest for discoveries and revelations together. The hidden potential within each person flickers quietly, often neglected amidst the hustle of everyday life. It embodies an eagerness, an instinctual feeling signaling the brink of something exceptional. This spark prompts an urge to explore uncharted territories within oneself, compelling the soul to surpass the ordinary. It's a faint yet persistent call, inviting introspection into personal aspirations and dreams. Recognizing and embracing this spark serves as a guiding beacon, enlightening the path toward greatness. It signifies an invitation to dream beyond societal norms, motivating the pursuit of distinctive visions and aspirations. Cultivating this inner spark involves acknowledging its presence, contemplating its whispers, and daring to envision a life beyond the current reality. It acts as a catalyst, igniting the spirit for a transformative journey towards self-discovery, growth, and the realization of one's utmost potential. Desire and aspiration, the dual engines propelling human endeavor, lay the foundation for personal growth and accomplishment. Deeply rooted within our essence, they spark the flame of innovation and progress. Desire, the longing for something beyond the present, acts as a magnetic force, pulling us toward the envisioned horizon. It fuels imagination, compelling us to dream beyond limitations and challenge the status quo. Aspiration, on the other hand, provides the blueprint, the guiding light steering our actions toward materializing those desires into tangible goals. It embodies the determination, dedication, and unwavering commitment required to transform dreams into reality. Together, they form a mutually beneficial relationship, urging individuals to explore uncharted territories, navigate obstacles, and persist in the quest for excellence. Desire fuels the inner fire, while aspiration shapes that energy into a structured path, leading us toward the fulfillment of our highest potentials. The journey of growth is an ongoing odyssey, a continual evolution transcending mere existence. It embodies the essence of learning from every experience, embracing resilience in the face of challenges, and recognizing the ever-present opportunity for development. It commences with an inherent curiosity, an unrelenting thirst for knowledge, and an understanding that growth isn't restricted to a specific destination, but resides within the journey itself. Each step taken, each moment lived becomes a canvas for acquiring wisdom, whether from successes or setbacks. It involves a profound acknowledgement that genuine progress stems from introspection, recognizing personal strengths and learning from shortcomings. Growth intertwines with self-discovery, where reflection acts as a compass guiding choices and actions. It encompasses the readiness to adapt, the courage to explore the unknown, and the humility to accept change as a catalyst for advancement. This journey isn't a solitary pursuit, but a shared narrative of humanity's quest for continuous improvement, resilience, and enlightenment. Reflective contemplation, a process of introspection and active thought, forms the foundation of personal growth and self-discovery. It's a purposeful exercise that delves into the depths of one's thoughts, emotions, and experiences. This practice transcends passive thinking. It's a deliberate pursuit to understand oneself, uncover truths, and explore the layers shaping our identities. Through reflective contemplation, individuals gain profound insights into their values, beliefs, and aspirations, fostering clarity and purpose. It serves as a guiding light, empowering individuals to make informed decisions and navigate life's complexities with deeper comprehension. This introspective journey isn't confined to moments of solitude. It's an ongoing process drawing wisdom from both successes and setbacks. By embracing reflective contemplation, individuals refine their perspectives, cultivate resilience, and establish a stronger connection with their authentic selves, paving the way for personal evolution and fulfillment. Time serves as the intangible currency of life, a finite and irreplaceable resource. Its value surpasses fleeting moments, weaving into the fabric of every decision and action. Purposeful management of time stands as a cornerstone of personal growth and success. Acknowledging its scarcity, individuals cherish and allocate time as a precious asset, safeguarding it akin to protecting treasure. This mindful utilization nurtures capabilities, fosters clarity, and instills unwavering confidence. Every hour spent deliberately adds to the tapestry of life, contributing to the masterpiece of one's journey. When treasured, time becomes an architect shaping the structure of one's existence, creating room for what holds significance. This thoughtful curation isn't stringent discipline, but an act of self-care, honoring the potential of each passing moment. Understanding that the quality of time dictates life's quality, individuals embrace this truth, crafting lives rich in meaning, purpose, and fulfillment. Intuition and insight act as guiding forces, often transcending logical reasoning and offering a deeper understanding of the world. They manifest as an innate sense, an instinctual knowledge navigating life's complexities. Intuition, akin to an internal compass, leads the way in uncertain times, offering glimpses beyond visible horizons. It's the silent voice nudging one toward the right path when choices seem obscured. This inexplicable sensation foresees the unspoken, deciphering signals beyond rational comprehension. Insight, conversely, results from observation, experience, and introspection. It represents conscious reflection, a deliberate effort to unravel truths concealed within. These insights don't emerge in isolation, but from a profound understanding cultivated by actively seeking wisdom and learning from life's myriad lessons. Both intuition and insight complement each other, empowering individuals to navigate the world with clarity, enabling them to perceive beyond the obvious, and fostering a deeper connection with their surroundings. Drive and passion serve as the propelling forces igniting an individual's pursuit of greatness, transcending mere dedication to become a profound commitment to a resonant purpose. They embody an unwavering determination not only to accomplish more, but to become more, unveiling an uncharted path unique to one's essence. This fervent energy isn't confined to tasks. It intertwines with the core of one's being, exuding infectious enthusiasm that attracts like-minded souls. It sparks inspiration, inviting others to explore their passions and inducing transformative change in the lives of those touched by its intensity. The pursuit fueled by drive and passion isn't about seeking applause or accolades. It's an intrinsic quest to explore the depths of one's potential, surpassing societal expectations. It sets a pace, forges new paths, and leaves behind a trail for others to aspire to follow, a journey driven by an internal fire that illuminates the way ahead, guiding toward personal fulfillment and collective inspiration. Welcoming change signifies resilience and an acknowledgement of life's perpetually evolving nature. It indicates a willingness to step beyond comfort zones and engage with new opportunities that cross our path. Change offers a route for growth, presenting unique moments teeming with potential and possibilities. Embracing change doesn't merely entail adapting to altered circumstances. It's an active approach to shaping our lives. This acceptance of change demonstrates our active participation in sculpting our destinies, emphasizing a commitment to growth and transformation. Embracing change enables us to explore new perspectives, learn from experiences, and evolve as individuals. It encourages us to navigate the unpredictable currents of life with an open heart and an eager spirit, acknowledging that change is an integral part of our journey toward personal development and fulfillment. The individual journey and authenticity embody a profound exploration of one's distinct path amidst societal expectations. It encapsulates the courage to embrace personal authenticity, even if it means traversing a solitary path. This journey necessitates accepting the inherent solitude accompanying living a life authentically yours. It's about refusing to shrink dreams or ambitions to fit into molds created by society's norms. Authenticity implores individuals to honor their inner calling, recognizing that their path might not align with conventional expectations. It's a voyage where personal values, beliefs, and aspirations take precedence over external influences. Embracing authenticity often means venturing into uncharted territories, guided solely by one's inner compass. This authenticity doesn't seek approval or conformity. Instead, it's an unapologetic commitment to living a life aligned with one's deepest truths. Ultimately, this individual journey celebrates the uniqueness of each person, encouraging the pursuit of an authentic existence despite societal pressures. Impact and influence wield immense power in shaping not only individual lives but the broader world. At its core, impact arises from the profound reverberations created by one's actions, thoughts, and choices. It encompasses the ability to inspire change, ignite passion, and guide others toward their potential. The influence one holds resonates through time, leaving impressions deeply embedded within society's fabric. It's about becoming a catalyst for transformation, nurturing growth, and inspiring others to embark on their unique journeys. Genuine influence surpasses boundaries, sparking movements and fostering a collective sense of purpose. It embodies authenticity and a commitment to standing for one's beliefs. Impact and influence intertwine, portraying the narrative of a life lived authentically, leaving imprints of change and compassion. Whether through small gestures or monumental actions, the essence lies in the intention to create a positive shift, leaving an indelible mark on hearts and minds, perpetuating a legacy of significance and inspiration. Recognizing life's masterpiece involves acknowledging the profound significance of each moment and the intricate interweaving within the broader canvas of existence. It embodies a conscious realization that every step taken, every decision made, contributes to the grand design of one's journey. This recognition invites a deep sense of appreciation for the interplay of experiences, whether faltering or triumphant, shaping the essence of individuality. It's an acknowledgement that life is an ongoing creation, where every choice, every interaction, adds to the portrait of one's legacy. It's about embracing the beauty within imperfections and discovering purpose within the unpredictability of life's canvas. This awareness fosters a mindset of gratitude and compassion, acknowledging the profound impact each person holds in crafting their destiny. It encourages individuals to traverse their path purposefully, understanding that their persistence, resilience, and kindness contribute to the vibrant mosaic of the human experience. Expressing resonance and sharing insights is a profound testament to the connection between individuals on a transformative journey. It embodies the recognition of shared experiences and the resonance with profound truths stirring within. This expression serves as a bridge, connecting kindred spirits who acknowledge the whispers of destiny and the call to transcend the ordinary. When one acknowledges resonance, it's an affirmation of inner recognition, a moment of profound understanding, and a shared spark of enlightenment. Sharing insights isn't merely conveying information. It's offering wisdom, inviting others to delve deeper into the realms of self-discovery. It's an exchange that fosters growth, encouraging others to explore their potential and tread the path toward greatness. Through this interaction, individuals engage in a cosmic dialogue, adding strokes to each other's life canvas, illuminating the way forward. It's a mutual journey of enlightenment where expressions of resonance and shared insights become guiding stars, lighting the path toward collective evolution. Further exploration and gratitude intertwine as essential elements in the journey towards self-discovery and fulfillment. As individuals embark on the quest to understand their innermost desires and potentials, the significance of continuous exploration becomes apparent. It's an endless pursuit to uncover hidden truths, delve deeper into one's capabilities, and navigate the intricate pathways of personal growth. This exploration isn't solitary, but a shared cosmic conversation, resonating with like-minded individuals seeking enlightenment. Gratitude, serving as a beacon along this path, recognizes the interconnectedness of experiences and the wisdom gained. It's an expression of appreciation for moments of introspection, lessons learned, and fellow travelers contributing to this transformative journey. As one continues to explore the signs within and the universe's guiding whispers, gratitude acts as a compass, directing steps toward deeper understanding, acceptance, and the embodiment of one's true self. As our cosmic conversation draws to a close, remember, Every insight gained, every moment of reflection, and every step taken contributes to the canvas of your life's masterpiece. Keep exploring, keep embracing gratitude, and may your journey shine as a radiant beacon of self-discovery. Your support fuels this transformative exploration, inspiring others to seek their greatness. Don't forget to hit that like button, share these revelations with fellow seekers, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Thank you for joining this cosmic journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. Until our paths converge again, keep shining brightly, and may each moment propel you toward the magnificent destiny you're meant to fulfill. Keep walking, keep exploring, and may